Second Munich Technology Conference on Additive Manufacturing is fast approaching. Why should experts join our interactive workshop on the 11th of October?
The idea of the workshop is to bring the community together and discuss what needs to be done to further industrialize AM. We want to discuss about challenges and innovation on the way to industrialization.
What is the setup of our workshop?
3 partners will give a short keynote at the beginning of the workshop. They will give us their view on challenges along the industrialization of AM. Philipp Bruckbauer from Airbus, Andreas Greichen from Siemens, and Professor Edward Trier from Chalmers University. We will also have an interactive session for you to engage and discuss about new challenges and innovation across all markets.
How can experts register to the workshop?
If you are interested, please register for free to our workshop on the MunichTechConference.com website or contact us directly.